I have two clients whose ages is 15 and 17 years old.
Wow.
Wow.
Imagine. Ang alam na mother, naglalaro lang ng online games, no? The usual.
Well,
Yeah.
tama naman.
Tama naman. Wala, di ba? Parang
Online
yun ang
games.
generation nila.
Oo.
Pero, not knowing, dahil pwede naman mag-transfer sa e-wallet, di ba? As I've said.
Yes.
Then, natutunan na. So, ako, one of my suggestions is talagang total ban sa online.
So-
Kasi kung regulation, ang daming mga possible na lusot. I'm not a lawyer, no? Pero possible na justification. Pero kung total ban, wala tayong accessibility. Let's try to live in a 90s or even 80s na walang accessibility to, no? So, kapag total ban, talagang kahit mayaman, mahirap, may bata o matanda, hindi sila ma-expose or there's no means to play online. Let us think about the future generation here.
Yeah.
Kasi kung ako, parent, ayoko naman makita yung anak mo na at the age of 15 or even younger, sugaron na. Di ba? Where is the moral ascendancy here? Nasaan na yung character building dito?
Yeah.
No? I'm not condemning the better, yung mga better, no? Yung mga pero yung sistema kasi talagang nakakatakot.